Toptemp is a recruitment and job agency that helps people get a job, either temporary for a project or permanent for a new position. My points were how to measure your conversions, which basically means how to measure if your ads made you any money. Then we went on to audience targeting, how to use the most of your insights. Then we went to how you can bidding strategies for your ad campaigns and how you can basically choose your bidding strategy that works best for you and your products and services.
For Charge, we did a workshop on social media, helping them to get some tips in terms of how to create engaging content, how to write social media posts, how often you should post your content, and how you could work around your company's topics. We learned how to use our identity in our social media posts. Social media has taken over, and it's a more inexpensive way to actually get your message out there. How we could create avatars in order to get your identity out there, like use a tone of voice, how to write, create some kind of engagement, make people like your post. How can we work with the Facebook algorithms so that you can reach your potential customers? How can you get likes? How can you get comments? How can you get people to share your content? This is something we discussed with Charge and the startups. You want to create content that makes people feel something, that makes people laugh, or of course inform them about your products or services. If you can try to translate who your customers are and build your brand through your social media posts, that's where you want to be. Try to think outside of the box and just, okay, let's do something that's actually going to turn heads.